Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I am again here with another cool method on how to make money online. So guys, just watch full video. I am starting now. So you are watching on the screen. This is the website where you are going to earn. So the work is simple. You have to just shorten your URL and you will get paid. What amount you can get as you are watching on the screen is I am highlighting here. High string URL shortener, join now and earn up to $120 per 10,000 views. Yeah, if you get 10,000 clicks on the URL, your shortened URL, then you can get paid here up to $220. So this is a good way to earn money online. But now the thing is to be known that how you can get clicks and you can earn money. So now I'm going to tell you what you can do. If you do YouTubing or you do blogging, then you can just whatever link you post there, you can short here and then you can put the links wherever you are going to put. So whenever someone click on the URL, then you will get paid. If they are total you totally get 10,000 clicks, then you will get paid around $220 here. So the minimum withdrawal limit is $5. If you get in your wallet $5, then you can redeem it via PayPal and other methods whatever here. So now I'm going to tell you how you can sign up here. So you are watching there are so menus like home, payout rates, payment proof, blog, login, register. So first I'm going to show you payout rates. So what makes us different, you are watching here sign up bonus. We sign up here, you will instantly get $1. Minimum payout is $5. Payment frequency daily payment, you can withdraw here payment daily, there is no limit, and once you get $5 you can just redeem instantly. Payment methods are here: Bitcoin, PayPal, Payer, web monies, airtime, perfect money, UPI, Paytm, bank transfer. So our payment rates are dynamic and depend on the advertising income that we receive. So sometimes the rate may increase, decrease for some countries without any prior notice. Publisher rates, you're watching here. Their earning per 1,000 views are given here for the countries like Greenland. For desktop views it's $22, and for mobile views it's $22. Ireland, Belgium, so whatever country you belong, you can just check out your rates and you can start earning money here. You can first please check out the rates whatever you are going to get here. If you are from India, then per 1,000 views you will get $3.50. So this is a good income, so you must try. So now let's see how to sign up. Simply click on register button, then you have to fill your details like username, email, passport, and enter password, and fill this captcha to prove that you are not a robot, and agree and click on register. So let's make the account, then let's see the further process. So guys, I have created my account. In the same way you can create your account. So when you will fill all the details and will click on create, then you will get this message: your account has been created, and you will need to sign in here. Then first check out your email, you will find here confirmation email. So next you will need to do the signing here. So simply fill here your email address and password, then sign in. So guys, you will find this screen to shorten your URL. So simply you just have to click here your URL, any URL you can copy and paste here to shorten it. Then type here your email address to which you want to get notification every time related to this URL, and set here expiration date. And finally you can just click on shorten, and URL will be shortened, and copy the URL and paste it anywhere you just want to get clicks. So every time till expiration date you get clicks, you will get paid here. So how you can earn now, I just want to tell you, just copy the URL and paste it to your, you can paste it on your WhatsApp. First thing I just want to tell you, just take the URL of any famous thing, like famous place which people want to read about, like you can take famous articles, popular gadgets, latest technology. So if there are 500 friends on your WhatsApp or 2000 friends on the Facebook, then you can just type a URL on your Facebook and WhatsApp, and if you collect daily minimum 100 views, then in just 10 days you can collect 1000 views, and for 1000 views you can get paid well. So what from whatever country you are, it doesn't matter, you can just earn here good income. If you use blogging, if you do blogging or YouTubing, that is a very good way to earn money. You can just put the URL in the YouTube description box in the blog article. So every time you will get click, you will get paid. So this is a wonderful method to earn money. I hope you like the video. So I will meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.